the bumper, the headlight, the carbon fiber hood, these, the Z logo, the mud guard, door handle, B-pillar, and basically everything inside the door jamb. And taillights, spoiler, and rear windshield washer. Wiper. Oh, and I'm taking off the bumper too. Headlights is gonna be demon eyes with the LED bar. It's gonna look really cool. I don't really like these stock ones, kind of ugly. And like this orange line is super hideous. It just bothers me. But let's see the new ones. What I'm gonna do is take off the lens and swap it with the old ones, because the old ones have, like, they don't have all this spider cracking and it's not as dusty. So yeah, pretty cool. So you want to use your clip remover, remove these clips on top of it, and then you want to move over here and pull back the guard, and there's going to be a 10mm right there that you need to detach on each side. And if you're running the stock bumper, then on the bottom of your bumper you're going to see like 4 screws on the bottom of it. I don't have them no more. These 2 screws to get the hood off. Couldn't record it, too many hands going around. And then for the headlight you want to remove this bow up here, and then you want to get this side one, and then you want to go from under and get, I think, no, it's this one. After you get it off, there will be a couple plugs, and you just you want to press on the clip and pull. When it comes to the windshield wiper, you want to remove this plastic cover, just slide it back. And this is a 12, not a 10, and we're gonna have to remove it. And after you remove the bolt, you just want to give it a good twist, and there you go. There was a piece of plastic covering it, but you could easily just yank it off. And you're gonna remove this with the 10, that with the 10, that, and this one. Of course, you want to move the plug out of the motor, get it out the way. So you're gonna grab this, pull it back, grab your zip tie, pull it. You want to get it tight so then whenever you blast your base, it don't rattle. And then pull. It's not gonna go nowhere. I'm gonna go get scissors. Get back to the taillight. Take these 3 off with 10mm, and then you want to pop it off, and then reach over here, twist, and that should come off as well. Then you could just put those over there. For the rear bumper, we're gonna have to remove this. You don't have to remove the rear bumper. I'm just doing this because I'm about to put in my Nismo one. So you want to remove these. Now, unfortunately, I could not show you how to remove this rear bumper. It took a lot of time and effort making sure that I did not break any of the clips. I didn't have the patience to use the phone and also remove that because it's quite hard. I'm pretty sure you can find some more videos on how to remove it, but it's tough. You got to be really careful on this end, and right here, it's not fun. But now onto removing the spoiler pieces. You want to grab 10mm extender. You want to put it through this hole up here, and whenever you find it, you want to pull down. Hold on. So you want to hold it to around your chest level, so the washer doesn't fly into the hatch. It's kind of annoying. You're gonna hear a lot of rattle. So yeah, just hold it to chest level while you screw it out. Phillips screwdriver, and just go in on it. And there's one more. Bottom part, you want to grab a Phillips. This is a 1/2 inch. Just right now, we are taking off the antenna. To do this, we are going to move the weather strip from here, hold it up about to right here. Don't go all the way. And then there's gonna be this panel that's sitting right here. You wanna pop it off from the bottom, just lift it. And from here you wanna mess with this. that's why you want to remove the weather strip, because it's overlapping with up here. It's all right here. That piece off. Then you want to pop this out. And there's a couple more pegs around here. So at this point, I have decided I'm gonna fully gut my rear. You guys don't have to do this, but I'm gonna just do it for weight reduction. And then you look under, and there's gonna be a 10mm, or you're gonna need your screwdriver. For me, I needed my 10mm, but your model might be the screwdriver model. So get a Phillips or 10mm and remove this bolt. You wanna move on to the doors. And you want to put your hand under and just wiggle it around, and you should pop it. Or up here, you just move it around and it'll pop. Okay, so now it's all loose, and then you want to grab flathead screwdriver and pop it under. As you can tell, not to flex, but these are the Nismo door panels, black leather with red stitching. Only 1,600 of them made. Pretty cool. Pop them out. This side and that side. Just take it off from there. While with fighting to get the door off, you want to pop this off. Hold on. You will need the 10mm and go all the way in there. Be careful. I include this in, but there's going to be a screw that you want to take out of there. Whenever it still looks like this after you pop that off, there's going to be a screw right there, and you want to move those out the way. Because that and that is essential. All right, you're gonna need your flathead. Pop this open, and I'm not sure if you're gonna have to pop this open. Hold on, let me experiment real quick. All right, so it turns out we are gonna have to mess with this, so just pry it up with your flathead, because off camera, we cracked this, and it was actually kind of cringy. So yeah, don't make the same mistakes as me. Pop that out. There's gonna be a bolt all the way in there, so get your extender with the 10mm, and I think there's one down here as well. So after you get this out, it'll be loose like this, and then you want to pull the bolt inside of there. I already did that. And then from here, you just want to reach under, grab onto the door panel, and yank, and it'll all come off. Grab that side, pull it, wiggle it, just like that. And then you want to come over. You're gonna see the door handle right here. There's gonna be these two long styrofoam lines, and there's gonna be a bead in here. They just want to pull out like this and then shoot it up like that. And then I think this one's the easier one. From preventing to break my door panel, I came from under and I grabbed this and I poked it out of there. Poked out the switches. And with this, it's only on 3 pegs. So you just want to remove it slowly. You don't want to snap it. And then you just pull it up. And then this, you just pull it. Because we're doing the door jams, we want to get under, pop this off, and pop that off. And save this somewhere special so you never lose it. This is the easier part for the side mirrors. You want to remove that, and there's going to be 3 screws, 1, 2, 3, and you're going to pull it, and you're going to notice it's going to be on, the mirrors are going to be attached to this, so you just want to unscrew it with a flathead, and the mirrors just fall off, and they're right there. I'm about to go in for paint. It's gonna be a little while I go without a car, but with some. See, the Z is done. This is the front bumper. Got it done in a flat black finish right here. All this will come off with a wash. And as for my favorite part, the Nismo bumper. Look at that. Flat black at the diffuser. That slick gray. Look at that. So clean. I just need a tint. I'll be good to go. And then he did this. Flat black. Then he did the door jambs. I just need to put my plastic covers back on.
What's up, vlog? Today, me and my cousin Anthony right here, we're gonna be working on the bumper. This is what I did to it so far. I put back on the mesh grill. Looks super dope with the black diffuser. Also, easy Calabasas. Don't roast me, bro. I'm kind of dirty. My beaters. All right, and then the IJDM toys. So what took us so long today was making sure that these fit, because they have some like spiky clips, and I had to basically destroy them, sand them down, and it took a while. Like it took an hour on this one, and then like 30 minutes on this one, because I kind of knew what I was doing. And then I put this in. Not everything in here is a good fit, but I made it fit, you know? It looks nice. And put these on, and I put something special in there so it holds. And then crap, my door's locked. But these chairs, the touring, the black electric chairs, are coming off. Stay tuned. And we're back. But check it out. Got some Brom Elite X series with the diamond stitching. Super nice, really good quality. I always wanted these for a long time, but I didn't know that they were gonna come so soon. I thought this would be one of my last mods, honestly. But probably gonna put these in tonight. It's gonna look super clean once they're installed. Damn, look at that bumper. So sick. My favorite part about this car is this bumper. Took a while to put it on. It's super nice.